All right, here's a very quick, basic tutorial in case you're still having trouble with Pixlr. Again, I just searched Pixlr on Google. We have the Pixlr X, we have Pixlr Editor, and Pixlr E. Seventh graders, you are using Pixlr X, and sixth graders. Eighth graders, we started using Pixlr E. So I'm going to go ahead and go into Pixlr X. And what we're going to see is the opening home screen. You do not need to log in. You do not need any of this up here. This is it. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your history. This would be if you've worked on something before. You're going to create new, so you could create something from scratch, or you could open an existing image from your Google Drive or load a URL. Now to load a URL, all you would do, which this means an image from the internet, is we can type in here whatever we want to find. So let's use the Mona Lisa. I'm going to open only, or I'm going to copy the image link. Again, not the image. So if I click on this, clicking on this is going to take me to this website. I don't want the website. I want the link. So if I right click or two finger click on a Chromebook, I'm going to scroll down and see where it says copy image address. That's what I need. I don't need anything but the image address. So copy image address. Now I could save the image to my drive and open it that way, but we're going to copy the image address. I'm going to go back to Pixlr. Now sometimes it won't work if something, something's wrong with it. It's a free program, but let's try. We're going to load URL. I'm going to paste it into there. And there we go. That's it. So I was able to just open an image from the internet. Now we could go here to the home button. This is, again, if we're going to open another image. And let's say that I wanted to just open an image, not from the internet. Well, I'm just going to click open image. And this brings up my Google Drive. You can see all the stuff I have here. And again, if we pick whatever we want, click on this. It's going to say create new or add to current. So since I already have the Mona Lisa open, if I hit add to current, it's going to make two images in one. It's going to put them on top of each other. We don't want to do that. Let's just open a new one. So we're going to hit create new. And again, boom, there it is. So there's our next image. We just opened it from our computer. The other thing we could do is we could simply just create a new image. And if we create something new, we have all these options. This is the size, our file size. Okay, so for mine, I'm just going to click Web 720, just like on our TV settings, like a 1080, those kind of things. We can name it. Let's name it 1. And I'm just going to hit Create. And now we have a blank image. So just like if we were in Microsoft Word, or not Word, but Paint, now we can draw all over it. It's just a blank document. So again, this is just how to open a URL, an image, or just create a new one. And as you can see, as I work, it's saving those underneath it.